Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Oluwatobiloba, and we are currently learning the course cybersecurity under the program Tech Master at Atibian Tech Academy. Today, I'll be presenting to you the Facebook data breach that occurred in 2019, which is also my research, the research I made. And I'll be talking about the scale of the breach. In April 2019, it was discovered that Facebook had stored more than 540 million records of users' data on publicly accessible servers. These records contained sensitive information like user IDs, comments, likes, account names, and more. The data was accessible to third-party developers and security researchers due to misconfigurations in Facebook data system. It was said here that the app wasn't saved enough, so it would give access to the third party, which I will also put in other words like the middlemen, to penetrate and also have access to people's informations. So next I will be talking about the cause of the breach. It was said here that the breach was not hacked in the traditional sense. Instead, it was caused by poor security practice in Facebook's infrastructure. The company left a large amount of users' data exposed because it did not properly secure its system. Third-party apps that had access to the data via a Facebook API had stored large amount of information without adequate protection. So their app did not practice good security to their app. So it gave access to the third party to penetrate and have access to informations and other accessible things. So next I'll talk about the affected data. The exposed information included user IDs, account names, comments, likes, and other interactions. Other public information shared by users on Facebook. It was they were telling us that what was exposed, the things that the third party gained access to was the user ID, their account names, the comments, the likes, and other things they have, even their chats with people and stuff. So it seems Facebook did not practice a good safe, how to keep their app safe. It gave access to the third party to gain access to stuff like this. The next I'll be talking about the security measures taken by Facebook. Once Facebook became aware of the issue, they took immediate actions to secure the exposed data. They shut down access to the publicly exposed servers and took steps to ensure that their database would be more secure moving forward. So they noticed the vulnerabilities, and they see that the third party has gained access to it. So all they could do was to practice and to give the app more secured place, so they won't gain access to it, and they make sure every user information was also saved. And next I'll be talking about now I'll conclude to you that the 2019 Facebook breach wasn't a classic external hack, but rather a result of internal oversight in managing and securing user data. The lesson here is that theoretic misconfigurations, especially with cloud service and third-party access, can lead to significant vulnerabilities. The broader takeaway for companies is the importance of data governance, continuous monitoring, and user privacy protection. So, in other words, all we are talking about here is that keeping the app. If it was that the app was kept safe, it wouldn't have given the third party an opportunity to penetrate. So if you that are watching, if you are building any app or any other thing, try keeping your information safe, so the middlemen they won't see the vulnerability to penetrate. And also it's not assured to us that we could have 100% security for whatever we try to secure. So let's make everything we do and every information we want to keep safe, let's make it more secured enough. And we should also exploit the vulnerability often. Thank you.
Well done. Well done. Well, I like the fact that you were explicit, but then I would have appreciated it more if the vulnerabilities exploited were highlighted. So please take note of that next time. You mentioned it, but then it would have been very nice if it had been highlighted.